Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest HyperOS 3.0 gallery editor on any Android phone without root. This update brings the premium editing experience from the latest flagship devices directly to your phone. Before we jump into the file manager, there's a very important technical detail you need to understand. In my earlier video, I showed you how to install the main HyperOS gallery on any device. It is crucial to remember that the file we are installing today is the Global Editor extension. It acts as a plugin, not a standalone app. This means it absolutely requires that specific HyperOS base app to function. If you try to use this extension without the main HyperOS gallery installed, it simply won't work. If you missed that previous video, don't worry. I have provided the download links for both the base gallery and this new editor in the video description below. You must install the gallery first, otherwise this editor will crash. So what is actually different in this version? This build is pulled directly from the HyperOS 3.0 source code. As soon as you launch it, you will notice the new user interface. It is far cleaner than the older versions, with rounded corners and a modern aesthetic. The tools have been reorganized for better logic. You get new sliders that provide haptic feedback, and the response time when applying filters or cropping high-resolution images is significantly faster. It also includes additional adjustment features that allow for more granular control over your shadows and highlights compared to the previous version. Now, let's get this running on your device. First, scroll down to the description and download the file labeled HyperOS 3.0 Editor. Once the download is complete, open your default file manager and navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the APK file you just downloaded. Tap on it to begin. If your phone asks for permission to install apps from this source, go to Settings, toggle Allow on, and go back. Tap Install or Update. It might take a second to process the new libraries. Once you see the App Installed Success message, just tap Done. Remember, you cannot open this app directly from here. To access the new features, go to your home screen, open the HyperOS Gallery app, select any photo, and tap the Edit button. You will now be greeted by the brand new HyperOS 3.0 editing suite. Go ahead and give it a try.